Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience. And it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.